Good evening. Today's question is how to reduce the weight. Okay, so this turns as a universal problem for people who unable to know the basic techniques. This question widely asked by many people. Some of my close friends also asked how to reduce the weight. Give me some solution for this. So I need to be more accountable to this question. So this video or it may goes like another video because I want to compress it within 8 minutes. Uh, so let us get into the topic. Some are funnily asked, some are eating a lot, they won't put weight, and some are asking whether the gym is good or Zumbo dance or something. No, latest it mentioned. After seeing those exercises, really I felt uh, no, I don't want to support those Zumba dance and all. That can be art, but that is not a proper way of reducing technique. Okay, that's their belief that the Zumba group earn money. Okay, that's things apart. Okay, guys, apart from athletes and sports background, uh, the fight techniques may not be properly taught by many trainees and ordinary uh, people know. They may not know these five things. So before get into the question, I want to introduce the five things. What is the five things? Okay, the sprinting ability. Your body must have at least average amount of sprinting ability. Okay, and then resistance ability, and then power based ability. So power based means your body must lift some kind of weight. Okay, maybe if you are 70 kilograms, you must at least able to weigh 20 kilograms. Okay, body weight exercises. Okay, then flexibility. So you every body must have some flexibility skills, not extreme level but average level of flexibility. And then fifth one is very important. uh, this is how much gap must have each and every exercise. If you do a sprinting ability, you should not continue the next day. The exercises, no, some of the exercises should not do regularly. So you must, this is bit technical based. That's why many sports players they get injured, no, muscle cramp, all those stuff. Many laborers they would get a lot of pains around the neck and shoulders because they keep on adding weight every day. Should not do. This muscle has to get some kind of rest. So this technique many people may not know. Apart from athletes and sports background, they may know, they may be aware of it. So each and every muscle have to have some kind of proper rest, and that is called gap. That's why many often get injured. Okay, so things apart, let us get into the question. The five things has to be properly taught, or you must know about these five things. First one is sprinting. Okay, so before get into the question, everybody must know these five techniques. Okay, sprinting. Each and every body must have some kind of sprinting capability. I'm not saying you must run for 9.58 like Bolt having world record. No, just at least weekly once go for a fast running. No, short sprinting ability. And resistant based. It can be a long distance swimming, long distance running, climbing the hill maybe slowly, no, long distance walking, 5 to 10 kilometers of walking. And then power based, you must lift a weight and you must walk. And there are a lot more exercises. Most of the gym exercise is based on power based. Okay, and flexibility is very important, no? So as much as your body is having flexibility, you will have a long lasting life. Flexibility. And then fifth one is bit technical. You must know the gap between one exercise and the another. You must know the proper warm up and warm down techniques, and how much gap must have each and every exercises. No, these five things, and not blindly following weight reduction techniques and following the gestures. No, they introducing a lot of weight reduction postures. No, you must know these things. This video might be a bit longer because this is the universal turns as a universal problem. I'm gradually putting weight. So I humbly suggest and order to the people who are increasing, maybe they keep on unconsciously they are putting weight. No, that's not their problem. They must follow these 5 things properly. No, so sprinting based exercises, resistance based exercises, power based exercises, flexibility based exercises, and knowing and aware of the injury. And injury means try to preventing injury techniques. Okay, you must be aware of it. If I do this, if I give this much of workload, definitely my body gets injured, so I must do exercises and give proper rest. Okay, there are a lot of magazines are there, you must follow. So not blindly following the technique, no, that is not a good thing. So you must know the 5 things, and then we get into the question of weight reduction techniques. No diet, I won't tell you this is the best diet and that is the best diet. No, eat whatever you like. The first technique I want to give it to all is try to follow a diary. It can be a written form, take a paper and write it whatever you eat and see the results. Okay, and or else electronic pad, you can follow the electronic pads and try to type it whatever you eat, consume, and see the results. Okay, this is like self analysis of ourselves. No, this is the best way. Only the athletes and the professionals who do, all those richest people will do that. They write or keep on this much carbs and this much proteins and this much fat they intake, and they see their weight properly maintained, what is happening in their body. Okay, this is kind of self analysis. This is the first technique I suggest you to maintain your weight. It can be a weight increasing or weight reduction. Okay, so the second thing is, uh, after every meal try to walk at least 5 to 10 minutes, slow walking. No, try to change your way of life. So this would also help you to reduce your weight. If you eat morning, at least 5 minutes of walking. No, just walk. So wherever you are in the working place, you just try to walk it, and this would help you morning, afternoon, and evening. Definitely it would help you to increase your stamina. My solution not is based on to reduce weight or to increase weight, but proper strategy I am giving from my own experience point of view. I have been involved in this for 15 years. In my athletic package, various events I did and then won and have gained some of the techniques. uh, so I want to give the proper technique, not to introduce some exercises or directing you towards certain dietary methods. No, I don't trust purely manual, and you must have put some own effort, individual effort. So try to walk after every meal. Okay, the first technique is try to write it in your diary that what you intake, and uh, try to see the results. And second one is, every meal you must walk. After every meal you must walk, this is the thing. And it's already 8 minutes plus. So I introduce the 5 things. You must know the 5 things. Okay, the part 2 I would introduce you some of the gestures that would help you. Don't expect immediate results. Okay, it would take gradually. I am introducing for general fitness, I am talking general fitness, and through which you must gradually reduce your weight and maintain your weight. Consistency matters. Okay, okay, thank you. It is going 9 minutes wrong. Okay, I would meet you in the part 2 and come up with the best solutions for you. Thank you, and thank you for your support and all those positive criticisms and all those supports. Thank you, one and all. Bye.